Honestly, for how easy that is, it looks so good. Today, I'm trying 3 different types of ponytail extensions so you don't have to. I love ponytail extensions. They are my go-to hair accessory. They are such an easy way to add color and length to your hair with no commitment and no damage. And you don't need long hair to use them. The 3 types of extensions that I'm gonna try are wraparound ponytails, drawstring ponytails, and claw clip ponytails. I'm going to rate each type based on how easy they are to use and how realistic they look once they're in. And no matter which style you decide on, they are all available to purchase from Lizzie'sLocks.com, and I've left a link for each in the video description. Let's start with wraparound ponytails. Wraparound ponytails can be installed on a ponytail or a bun. They have a comb that is placed at the base of your pony or bun, and then this Velcro piece is just wrapped around to hide the base. I personally find that it's easier to hide your hair by installing the extension into a bun. For instance, if you're wearing an extension that's a different color to your bio hair, installing your ponytail extension on a bun will prevent your bio hair from peeking out and spoiling the illusion. But if your extension is the same color as your hair, you only really need to make sure the texture is the same so it's not noticeable if your bio hair does peek out. I'd give wraparound ponytails 4 out of 5 for ease of use, although I do suggest practicing a few times before you wear it out, and I'd give it 5 out of 5 stars for looking realistic. Up next is drawstring ponytails. Drawstring ponytails can only be installed on a bun. They have 2 combs that are placed at opposite sides of the base of your bun. Then this elastic drawstring is just tightened. You can tuck this excess elastic into the base of the pony. As you can see, it's not looking amazing just yet, but this next step will fix that. Take a section of hair from underneath the extension and wrap it around the base of your ponytail, similarly to what we did with the wraparound ponytail. And there you are. I would give drawstring ponytail extensions 3 out of 5 for ease of use, only because it can be tricky to hide the elastic, but I would give it 5 out of 5 for how realistic it looks, provided you take that extra step to hide the base. Before I get into claw clip ponytail extensions, which will blow your mind by the way, I want to remind you to please subscribe as it really helps my small channel and my small business. Thank you so much for your support, and now back to the video. Last but not least, we have claw clip ponytail extensions. You can install these onto a ponytail or bun. I think most people know how to use a claw clip. You just open the clip up and attach it to your hair. Like, that literally took me 3 seconds to put in. I give this one 5 out of 5 for ease of use because it's so easy. And I also give it 5 out of 5 for being realistic looking. If you want an in-depth tutorial on any of the ponytails I just showed you, watch these videos next.